Cleaning kit products are suitable for industrial printheads of Ricoh G5, G6, Konica 1024i, Kyocera single and dual channel, Starlight, and other UV ink. The cleaning solution removes ink and the repair solution cleans the residual cleaning solution. Finally, use the repair solution. Here are detailed operating steps. Step 1. Taking the Konica 1024i printhead as an example, use the original ink cleaning solution to draw approximately 60 ml of cleaning solution with a syringe. Open the nozzle underneath to release any blockage. Inject the solution from the top isolator part of the printhead. Clean the ink inside the pipeline. Draw another 60 ml of cleaning solution. Close the nozzle. Clean the nozzle. Prepare non-woven fabric. Wipe the surface. Check if the nozzle surface is clean. Repeat the nozzle cleaning action until it is clean. Step 2. Use a new syringe. Use the repair solution. Draw approximately 60 ml of repair solution. Open the nozzle. Inject it from the top isolator part of the printhead. Close the nozzle. Continue drawing 60 ml of repair solution. Inject it into the isolator. Wipe the non-woven fabric as the repair solution comes out of the nozzle. Step 3. Change to a new syringe. Use the unblocking solution. Draw 30 ml. Open the nozzle. Inject it from the top isolator part of the nozzle. Close the nozzle. Draw another 30 ml. Open the nozzle. Inject 10 ml. Close the nozzle. Ensure that there is unblocking solution in the pipeline. Then inject 5 ml into the nozzle. Observe if there are water droplets of unblocking solution on the nozzle. Wait for 10 minutes up to 15 minutes depending on the blockage. After 10 minutes, slowly press out the remaining 15 ml of unblocking solution from the nozzle or from the nozzle. Use the repair solution. Draw 60 ml. Inject it into the printhead. Open the nozzle. Clean the residual unblocking solution. Close the nozzle. Draw 60 ml of repair solution. Clean the residual unblocking solution in the nozzle. Step 4. Draw another 30 ml of cleaning solution. Open the nozzle. Rinse the remaining repair solution and inject a little air after the repair solution is injected.